Hey, hey, I'm Hey, I'm Paulina from the Bottle City, Black Legacy Lettering and Things and it'd be a smart day for yeah. So we are here in my rooftop. It's so very high rooftop. So if you see the school, that's my school. Wait, I'll zoom that. Yeah, that's, you see the building? Yan ang school namin. Dati ng grade 4 pa lang ako. Pero ngayon, doon sa dulo. So, yan yung aso ko. Makain siya dahil inagawan siya ng pagkain ni Chuchu at si Kuya Chuchu. Chuchu! And so, sa March 10, birthday na nila, kaya lahat kayo, impitado yung mga pets nyo, daling nyo para masaya at mag-enjoy yung mga aso natin, yung mga birds. Oh my God, see the airplane!